Hi guys, I will show you how to hide taskbar in Windows 10. So let's jump to Start menu or press Windows key and type taskbar. In results you will find taskbar settings. So let's open that. And in second option you will find hide the taskbar option. So if you turn on this one, the bottom taskbar will disappear, but when you mouse over the bottom edge of the screen, it will automatically slide in, but when you exit this taskbar area, it will slide out. When we are using tablet, use the third option to hide the taskbar. Hopefully that helps you, and thanks for watching.